Here the question is we prove that sin 8 theta equal to 8 into sin theta cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta. First we have to take that LHS, that is LHS equal to sin of 8 theta, and this is nothing but sin of 2 into 4 theta. What is the form? The form is sin 2 theta. Since sin 2 theta, what is the original value? 2 sin theta cos theta. So instead of theta we have that sin 4 theta. So therefore we get that 2 into sin 4 theta into cos 4 theta. So just we substitute that theta is equal to 4 theta. And next we will written as a 2 into sin of 4 theta can be written as 2 into 2 theta into cos 4 theta. And here we written as theta equal to 2 theta, that is sin 2 theta, that is nothing but 2 into 2 sin theta, 2 sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta. So we get that 2 into 2, 4 into sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta. And next we apply the formula for sin 2 theta. What is the sin 2 theta? 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay. So therefore we get that 4 into 2, we get that 8 into sin theta into cos theta. And next we are writing as a cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta. Okay. So the problem is completed. So how we do that? Sin 8 theta. Sin 8 theta can be written as 2 into 4. 2 into 4 nothing but 8. So this form is sin 2 theta. So this is nothing but theta. If we have the sin 2 theta, what is the formula? 2 sin theta cos theta. Here theta equal to 4 theta. So therefore it can be written as 2 into sin 4 theta into cos 4 theta. And next the 4 can be written as 2 into 2. That is sin of 2 into 2 theta into cos theta, sin 2 theta. Here the theta equal to sin 2 theta. So therefore it can be written as 2 into sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta. 2 into 2, 4 sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta. And next you are writing as a formula for sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta is nothing but 2 sin theta into cos theta. And finally we get that 4 into 2, 8 sin theta into cos theta and cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta. Okay. And next one is okay. The next problem is if a plus b equal to, next problem, if a plus b equal to 45 degrees, then we prove that 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b, that is equal to 2. So here the solution is, given that a plus b is equal to 45 degrees. In the solution we have a tan. Apply tan on both sides. Apply tan on both sides. So we get that tan a plus b equal to tan 45. So therefore tan a plus b, what is the formula for tan a plus b? Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b is equal to tan 45. The value of tan 45 equal to 1. So therefore this is nothing but 1 tan a plus tan b equal to, this is divided by is converted into this side, we get into 1 minus tan a into tan b. So therefore this is a minus, The minus will be converted into this side. We get that tan A plus tan B plus of tan A into tan B, that is equal to 1. We need, in answer we need 2, so therefore add 1 on both sides. 1 on both sides. So therefore tan A plus tan B plus tan A tan B plus 1 equal to 1 plus 1. So taken as a tan B as a common here, tan A plus, if I am taking tan B as a common, we get that 1 plus tan A plus 1 equal to 2. And here 1 plus tan A, 1 plus tan is a common, 1 plus tan A is a common, we get that 1 plus tan B, that is equal to 2, which is proved 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B equal to 2. So that is, if A plus B is equal to 45, then we prove that 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B is equal to 2. So given that A plus B equal to 45, that is given that A plus B equal to 45, we need to prove that tan 1 plus tan, nothing but tan, apply tan on both sides. So therefore tan A plus B is equal to tan 45, and the formula for tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A and tan B, and we simplify, we get that tan A plus tan B plus tan A into tan B equal to 1. But in a solution we need 2. For getting it 2, just we add a 1 on both sides, we get that tan A plus tan B plus tan A into tan B plus 1 equal to 2, and we take a common element. Finally we get that 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B equal to 2. And similarly the next problem is tan B equal tan A is equal to 5 by 6 and tan B equal to 1 by 11. We prove that tan A plus B equal to 1. So that is, so given that tan A, that is nothing but a 5 by 6, and tan B nothing but 1 by 11. So we apply that tan of A plus B, tan of A plus B, nothing but tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan A 5 by 6, tan B 1 by 11 by 1 minus tan A 5 by 6 into 1 by 11. We do the LCM, that is nothing but this part, so we get that 55 plus 6 divided by 66 by 1 minus 5 by 66, we get that 61 by 66 by 66 minus 5 by 66, and finally we get these two will be cancelled and we get that 61 by 61, that is nothing but a 1. So tan A plus of B, tan of A plus B is equal to 1. The 1 can be written in terms of 145, tan 45. Therefore we prove that tan A plus B is equal to pi by 4. Pi by 4 nothing but 45 degrees. So how we solve this problem? So given that tan A equal to 5 by 6 and tan B equal to 1 by 11, and we need to prove that tan of A plus B, that is tan of A plus B is nothing but, so we have to take a tan A plus B. So formula, what is that formula? Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A and tan B. We substitute the values of tan A and tan B. So what is tan A? 5 by 6 and tan B equal to 1 by 11. And we take the LCM or we do the simplification. This is a basics. So we get that, finally we get that 61 by 61. 61 by 61 is nothing but 1, and this can be written as tan A plus B equal to 1, and finally we get that tan 45 degrees, and A plus B is equal to 45 degrees or pi by 4. And next, suppose the paper is tough. Next basic one is sin 2 theta prove that sin 2 theta by 1 minus cos 2 theta equal to cot theta. So therefore we take that LHS, that equal to sin 2 theta by 1 minus cos 2 theta. So we need a formula sin 2 theta. What is the formula for sin 2 theta? 2 sin theta cos theta, and cos 2 theta nothing but a 2 cos square theta. If it is a 1, it is 2. Substitute 2 in 1. Substitute 2 in 1. So we get that 2 sin theta cos theta divided by 1 minus cos 2 theta, nothing but 2 cos square theta minus 1. We get that 2 sin theta cos theta by 1 minus 2 cos square theta plus 1. So finally we get that 2 sin theta cos theta, 2 minus 2 cos square theta, that is 2 sin theta cos theta by 2 is taken as a common, we get that 1 minus cos square theta. The basic formula is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is a basic. So we get that 2 sin theta cos theta by 2 into 1 minus cos square theta can be written as sin square theta. So 2 will be cancelled, 1 sin is cancelled. So we get that cos theta by sin theta. Cos by sin, nothing but cot theta, which we need to prove that. That is nothing but sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta nothing but 2 sin theta cos theta, and cos 2 theta is nothing but a 2 cos square theta minus 1. 2 cos square theta minus 1. So therefore we substitute that these two values in that equation and we simplify, and we need the basic formula sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. And next question is so problem, if tan theta equal to 1 by 2, find cos 2 theta and sin 2 theta. Therefore first we are writing as a cos 2 theta the solution. Cos 2 theta, the cos can be written in terms of tan, nothing but 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. This is a formula. So we get that 1 minus 1 by 2 whole square by 1 plus 1 by 2 whole square. So we get 1 minus 1 by 4 by 1 plus 1 by 4. So we get that 4 minus 1 by 4 by 4 plus 1 by 4. 4 is cancelled, and we get that 3 by 4. 3 by 5. So therefore the cos 2 theta value is equal to 3 by 5, and sin 2 theta What is the formula for sin 2 theta? Sin can be written in terms of tan, nothing but 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So we get that 2 into tan theta, the value of tan theta equal to 1 by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta, nothing but 1 by 2 whole square. This 2 is cancelled and we get 1 by 1 plus 1 by 4. This is nothing but 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So this is nothing but 4 by 5. Okay, that is 4 by 5. This is nothing but 4 by 5. Okay, so how to, if given that tan theta equal to 1 by 2 and we need to find that cos 2 theta and sin 2 theta. Cos 2 theta can be written in terms of tan theta, nothing but 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Just we substitute the value, that is nothing but tan theta equal to 1 by 2. So therefore we get, and we simplify the cos 2 theta equal to 3 by 5 and sin 2 theta can be written in terms of tan, nothing but 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, and we simplify. Finally we get that answer is 4 by 5.